Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open MariBank account. First, open the App Store. If you are using an iPhone, go to the App Store and in the search bar type MariBank and find the official app and install it. Once your download is completed, tap open. On the home screen or the welcome screen, look for the button that says open account or get started. Tap the button to begin the application. Now you will ask to enter some basic information such as your full name, date of birth, phone number, email address. Make sure everything is correct. Continue. Then for the security reason, MariBank may ask to confirm with your login using a single pass or scan your ID or take a quick selfie. Follow the instruction on the screen. Next, you have to create password or PIN. You can also set up fingerprint face ID for the faster and safe login. After that, you need to submit the facial verification. MariBank will receive your application. This usually takes a short time. Once approved, you will receive an app notification or an email confirming your new account. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.